What's up, guys? This is Boom Boom Tis. Thanks for tuning in. So we're out here today at TBI Auto with Phong. He's gonna help us get our van smogged. So we're gonna try to figure out what it needs. Wish us luck. So last time you guys checked in, we did some suspension work, front and rear, drop spindles, flip the axles. And yeah, the next thing to do is just get it all legit and ready to ride on the road. So what do you think is gonna happen?
We'll find out.
All right, so let's get to work. We're gonna lift it up and see how it looks like under it. I'm gonna check all the fluids, just all the basic. Actually, it looks pretty clean under here. The drain plug isn't leaking too bad. We do have some leaking right here, and you can tell it's kind of coming from the freeze plug, so it's somewhere in there. There it is. You can kind of see some coolant. One of these days, I'll have to pull the starter off and go ahead and shove a new freeze plug in there. Transmission pan looks okay. Not too bad leaking, just some seeping. This seal right here by the drive shaft probably could be replaced at some point, but we're okay for now. This mount's no good, and so that could be replaced someday too. But besides that, new cat under here, so that's promising for smog. Yeah, not too bad. So let's just cross our fingers and hope it passes. We're gonna put this Cadillac converter in here. We're gonna convert our van to a Cadillac. We are on our way to the muffler shop to get our new cat welded in. And so hopefully that's all we need to do to get this van of ours to pass smog and all legit. All right, guys, we are back picking up the van. Van's got a legit California spec cat in it now. Don't mind the jackhammering noise, you know, as you can see, everything is always under construction. This is our CARB compliant cat. It starts with a D182 number. And as you can see, this is a D280 number, so that's not gonna work in the state of California. You want this number for your van. Starts right up.
18255, yeah. No wonder so expensive. It's not bad.
Not bad, yeah, those wheels look pretty good. Not bad. On our way to the smog spot. So we're gonna drive on the freeway, put some miles on this new cat, get it all warmed up, and hope it passes. All right, we made it to the smog spot. Well, still got some more work to be done here. We're gonna do a couple things to the van to get it to pass smog, hopefully. We're gonna check timing. We're gonna check the EGR valve, and we're also gonna throw in a new oxygen sensor. So we're gonna go from here and hopefully we can get her to run a little cleaner. Man, I will say, having a lift is nice.
90 bucks.
Got the right part number. Better than $1,000. Okay, that's the O2 sensor that comes before the cat. So one wire, pretty cheap replacement. It was like 17 bucks. Just a single wire O2 sensor. It looks pretty old, so I'm gonna throw in this fresh one here and see how that goes. We got the new O2 sensor in. All right, you're gonna tell me what you think. Can you even see anything in there?
12, 8, 4. It has to be a 0.
Pulled off the doghouse. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen up the distributor bolt. Also, right here is our EGR with the broken hose, so we're gonna fix that too.
Turn it. Đó. Khoan. Chưa đó. Đây, đây, đất, đây, đất. Được, được. Đem tay lên nào.
Timing set on the van. So Phong and Goon helped me out here with the timing license. I never used one before, but man, oh man, doesn't it sound good. Sounds like it's running really smooth. So, we're gonna be on our way back to get the smog done. Okay, so just a little recap. We have put a new cat in, California Legit cat. We changed the oxygen sensor before the cat. We have adjusted timing. It is now set to, I think, plus 4 degrees, and so that's within spec. And we fixed the EGR hose that was broken. So we're gonna take it back to the smog spot. We're gonna hope that she runs clean, and we just get this all over with. Round 2 of our smog adventure. Shout outs to this smog guy for being down to make like 5-point turns though. Man, you don't always get that lucky. right, guys, I have some news for you. See, something passed. So 15 miles an hour, we were good on that earlier, but we didn't pass on the 25, and as you can see here, we passed on the 25. So I'm gonna attribute that to dialing the timing correctly, because it was advanced like 20 degrees before we checked it. Now it's at +4. So, and then all the other stuff too. I think just everything fixed it. But now it's running clean, and all we gotta do now is just get it all up to date with tags, and we should be good to roll. We are well below average. This is where we're at. This was the max, and CO levels is completely 0, which is really awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess you can call this passing with flying colors. Alright guys, so what you're looking at here is a 1993 Chevrolet G20 van, 5.7 liter, that passes smog in California. So I'm super stoked about this. It's just one step in the process of making it all legit. And hey, there's still a few more things to do here as any project goes, but that's it for now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. And yeah, until the next one, peace out.